Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make video private in TikTok. So watch this video till the end. First, open up your TikTok app. Then tap on Profile that is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Find the video you want to make private. Now tap on three dots on the right hand side. A menu will pop up. Slide to the left and you will see Privacy Setting. Tap on it. Here you will see it's currently set to everyone. Tap on it and choose Only Me option. So this is how you make video private in TikTok. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.